Welcome to Humming Meditation. I am Dr. Madan Kataria, and in this CD, I will guide you through yet another very easy to practice a yogic breathing technique of humming. With so much of negativity in the outside world, one of the biggest problems we face is the continuous chain of negative thoughts which cross our mind and makes us agitated and restless. One of the objectives of any meditation is to bring down the number of thoughts, which helps to relax our body and mind. In the yogic texts, it is said that your breathing is directly connected to the thoughts. If your breathing is fast, your mind will experience more number of thoughts. If we deliberately slow down the breathing rate, it will reduce the number of thoughts in the mind. Less thoughts means less reaction, less agitation, and one feels more calm and peaceful. Therefore, a great way to break the chain of thoughts and their reactions is to reduce the number of thoughts, and humming is one of the easiest and most powerful meditation to achieve this objective. Humming is a breathing exercise from yoga, which involves production of certain sounds by closing your mouth and consciously humming into your head. The vibrations produced as a result are very relaxing for your facial muscles, head muscles, and also it has a lulling effect on your brain cells, which is extremely relaxing for your mind. Moreover, our mind can focus only on one thought at a time. If we put our mind deliberately onto some activity like humming, for instance, it loses its ability to have other thoughts. Humming involves deep and slow inhalation followed by prolonged exhalation, which slows down our breathing rate significantly. There are several scientific studies which have proved that even if we deliberately slow down our breathing rate, it slows down the sympathetic system, which is our stress arousal system. Normally we breathe about 15 to 17 times in a minute, but with humming you can bring it down to 4 to 6 a minute, which helps to slow down your heart rate and brings down your stress levels. There are many other benefits of humming. Humming helps to induce deep sleep without dreams, which is considered as one of the best quality of sleep. It can help those suffering from insomnia and disturbed sleep. Humming is also good for people suffering from chronic sinusitis, as the vibrations of humming helps to dislodge the mucus and clear the sinuses. It is very good for controlling high blood pressure. I have had a personal experience with humming. A few years ago, I was doing a workshop in Denmark while a friend of mine was monitoring my blood pressure, and I was surprised to see there was a drop of 10 to 20 millimeter of blood pressure after humming for about 5 minutes. Humming can also help to enhance the memory and bring self-awareness about your work and stimulates the creative part of your brain. Humming is also a very good grounding exercise which can be used at the end of your laughter session and laughter meditation. As humming increases the resonance of your voice, it's very good for public speakers, actors and singers. Without any music, but synchronizing with soft background music produces a great resonance and makes one feel very relaxed and calm. Moreover, music is a great motivation to continue humming for a longer period of time. In this CD, we are playing a classical string instrument from India called tanpura to enhance the effect of this technique. Regarding duration of humming, initially one can start with 5 minutes of humming. Gradually you can go up to 15 to 30 minutes depending upon how much you are enjoying. Now, I will lead you through humming practice session. Sit in a quiet place with no disturbance from the outside world. Now for practice of humming, take a long deep breath and hum it out by putting your lips together so that they are slightly touching each other, and it sends out the vibrations of humming to your facial muscles, head muscles, and into your brain. Try to hum as long as possible until you run out of breath. Then take your own time to inhale deeply before starting the next humming. You can try humming with different pitch and tone of your voice until it gives you good resonance and feeling of relaxation. This exercise is called Bhramari in yoga. It's like a buzz of the humming bee. You have heard the instructions and explanation of humming practice in this track. Please go to the second track, which has only the music of tanpura, which will help you to practice your humming.